super snowstorm!
2015!
The storm! The biggest snowstorm ever!
Bring it on! Bring it on!
Big
We're ready.
snow. Are you ready?
We're ready.
We're ready too. Adam, thanks for coming out tonight.
Glad to be here.
All right.
Welcome everybody to the Freestyle Art Show Extravaganza. Tonight, Adam and I will be sharing a few fancy tunes. Here we go.
All aboard, oh come along, all aboard. They're all aboard on this boat. Got nowhere to go, well they'll travel the whole time, never going anywhere. Watch the magician for the 8th time. It's like we're not going anywhere. Dip in the pool, right on the boat. No slime or fish in your toe. We can't swim, but in the water we go. We can't swim, but in the water we go. Wash away the suntan lotion that we put on earlier that day. Why wait for the sunshine to shine through your window? Go outside, you will find it will shine, 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 shine. Oh, oh, oh,
Alright. I'm gonna bring it back down home. Excellent. Here, you want to take this thing? You want to switch spots here? Alright. You ever play one of those things? I strummed a few. Strummed a few. I know I might have overreacted. Sometimes I sound like a palm inside. Don't we all? Don't we all? Who's gonna run out in the snowstorm? Who's gonna make it illegal to be on the road? Now it might not seem like much, but what if I wanna leave the city? I can't leave after 11, no, even if the snow's bad, yeah, yeah, yeah. Even if the snow's not bad. What's it gonna ramble without regret, without remorse, without anything at all. Give me it all. Life of liberty, life of loving, vividly, just for a while. That's for all the people that want to shut down the city, Adam.
Like me.
In a snowstorm. I mean, hey, it's gonna snow. Let's make it illegal to drive. What do you think?
I think it's a good idea, Greg.
What? Am I the only one who stands alone?
Keep the streets free for pedestrians, drunken ones in particular.
Oh, I see what you're saying, Adam. I guess I haven't seen it in that light. Alright, fine.
Well, you can't listen to the news. You gotta go
God.
outside. You just gotta go outside.
You know what? Let's just make it illegal.
To go outside.
What do you guys think? Should
Sounds
we ask?
safe. Sounds very safe.
What do you think? Should we ask our Twitter
Leave
followers?
outside.
Twitter followers, send us a tweet. Send us a message right now on our Ustream. We can see it in the chat, the social thing. What do you think? Huh? Make it illegal to drive in the snow after 11 o'clock? Or should you have that chance? Should we see?
Check it out.
Let's see what the vote is.
That most people preferred to protect themselves by having people not be on the street. What do you think about that?
I was in the street earlier, and there were a bunch of people, and they were mostly just fine, it seemed. But I didn't stop to talk because it was a little chilly out.
Now we've seen about, let's see, maybe 2 inches of snow thus far. You've kind of blown away here. Let's get somebody new. All right. Sir, do you have a minute?
Yes, I do.
What do you think about the super snowstorm of 2015?
Well, so far, I think I'm well prepared, and I have a lot of canned food, and we're just trying to get together and make sure everybody's safe this season.
Did you get any bread or milk, or was there anything left in the store?
There wasn't too much. We got some Superstorm, Snowstorm 2015 #1 t-shirts. Were reasonably priced. So
Oh,
I'm
you
pretty
got the
happy with that.
t-shirts. Ah, Superstorm, Snowstorm, Megadeth dying, snow. All right, thank you, sir. And how about back to freestyle arts extravaganza? You guys want to do another song?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this little guy. This guy. Oh, wait, I'll get that guy.
Seems the time has come to take off the gloves and draw near. A wolf in sheep's clothing, I never fear. It's the sheep and wolf's closing in on me. What about the grass we walk upon? Don't you see it? So most people don't want to.
Sometimes you just get stuck in that rain. But you know what? I like rain. I have no problem whatsoever. Whatsoever. Alright. Let's see.
Any thoughts on a better name for the blizzard we're experiencing?
I thought the Death Storm.
Death Storm 2015, maybe?
I mean, I don't know. Someone will get upset because someone will die in the storm. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Play a song for them.
All right, let's play a song. Let's see. Okay. Well, don't get caught with your boots down. Don't get caught in the storm. Hide away in your house. Don't go out and enjoy the snow. Don't go out town tonight. You're stuck inside, but won't be so shy. Well, listen to the great songs of the bands from yesteryear, and you'll be humming a sweet song for tonight. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna sing about tonight, but it don't really matter as long as the fire's burning bright. So who cares what anybody says about this song? I'm not gonna go out and play in this wet and cold day. But if I get my chance, I might put my boots on nice and tight. I'm not afraid to get my feet wet or my hands a little bit cold. Hell, I'm even working on a luge track. It's already set. Stage 1 is gonna be slick and sloppy and slidey. Oh, you know, tomorrow I can't wait. I'm gonna be stuck in the storm. Oh, shucks. I'm gonna be stuck in the storm. Oh, man. There you go. You know, doesn't matter, Adam, to me.
Understood.
What about you?
Doesn't matter to me, Greg.
So you're telling me that you could take a walk in the snow and enjoy yourself?
Well, unless I get arrested.
Take note. It might be illegal.
Maybe they'll text us.
I think I got a text. Did you get a text? I hope everybody got a text. Super Death Storm 2015.
Excellent.
What do you think we should do next? Got any ideas? Should we look to Twitter? Any ideas?
Check it out.
Actually, someone has.
Go to commercial.
Someone has. Someone has.
Go to commercial.
Facebook does. Let's see. Should we go to Facebook and see what our Facebook followers are saying right now? Let's see. Yeah. All right. Someone's commenting here. Let's see. Definite comment here. Usually because you can't see what's going on here. Hope you're watching. You gotta get on a computer. I know this free streaming stuff, it is kind of a pain. I'm sorry if you're watching it, trying to get the live stream. Sometimes, on your mobile thing doesn't work, but I've found most people have got it to work on the computer. Oh man, I don't know. Let's see. It's not worth the $300 summons. All right. We're going to do a song right now. And our chorus is going to be, it's not worth the $300 summons. Right. Plus, it's cold out there. Here, you want to get on that?
Sure.
I'm just going to stand right here. I feel the wind blowing gotta give my boy Adam some props for busting his balls and getting over how. 'Cause I know who's got anything better to do. But that's what she says. Come on now, it's not worth the $300 summons. Plus it's cold out there. Oh, it's not worth the $300 summons. Plus it's cold out there. Did you take the train? Or did you take some wheels? Did you put the chains on those little tires of yours? I saw the buses and I saw the snowplows. They're all prepared for the storm. Stay out of their way. Stay out of their way. Stay out of their way. $300 summons. Plus it's cold out there. It's not worth $300 summons. Plus it's cold out there. You know what? Definitely, she's got a point.
Probably not worth it, no.
Probably not worth it. But that's why our show's only a half hour long.
Yeah, exactly.
And speaking of which, that gives us 9 more minutes. Gosh, I'm so hyped to have the participatory stuff going down.
So up on a shelf in a glass case, melted in its place. It did go its own way to the ground. If you're there, you know there's no way it would last another day, a week, or a month. And oh no, I don't know that much. The volcano came today, and we all tried to run away. We couldn't stay, no, we couldn't stay. I like it hot, I like it hot, but you don't want it hot as rock every day. It's flowing, flowing, flowing down the stream, and it's coming after me. Let that be a lesson. Lava's coming your way, go the other way.
'Cause it's hot. Lava's hot.
Don't learn for yourself, fools.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. I'm gonna get something here. Get something.
Won't you tell us a story about your childhood?
used to get on our bikes, ride to anywhere. There was a couple that rode railroad tracks downtown, and we used to find our way downtown in a hurry, like we're in a big scurry right downtown now. We used to walk on those tracks so late up to the other city's gate, and never was scared when we would dance in pairs. In the night moon, there we would dance with the girl we met on that dance floor up in Wrightstown. Up in Wrightstown, oh, but those tracks, they kept on being scary, past those graveyards and those scary country roads. But it was the quickest way, and sometimes the only way. Oh, 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 Alright. It's kind of a made up story about my life.
Probably
Made up.
just as true.
Just as true, may as well be. Alright, how much time we got? We got very few. We got 4 minutes. Any requests? Is that our last request? We had one request. That's good. Hey, that's better than last week. We got enough for a long song. Maybe we should. Is that bass in tune at all?
I don't know. We'll find out soon.
Tune enough? Let's see. Let's see. We'll find out tune enough.
Ooh, ouch.
I'd really like to get a lantern on my head. I don't know. Oh yeah, I know right. Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Hop, run, skip or jump and hop, run, skip or jump and hop, run, skip or jump and buy. Just buy, 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 buy all the time. Gotta get up, gotta get going, move out fast. Gotta get up, gotta move out, gotta get out fast. Gotta make way. It's gonna be a new day, start tomorrow. Why go so fast? Why go so fast? Gotta get up and move on my way. Gotta make my way. Gotta make my way out of my own way for tomorrow. Won't come no more. It won't come no more if I stay in its way. That's what they say. Well, I don't know and I don't care. Well, I don't know
5.
then.
Yep.
We think got one more in us, or we gotta. You better get your fine on.
Well, we got about 30 seconds.
Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. We enjoyed the show. I know we won't see you anymore. Not tonight, but probably no fines. No fines. Signing off. I hope you enjoyed that show. Come and watch it tonight. Hopefully you got a good chance to watch it, and watch it tomorrow, and watch it next week. The Freestyle Show Extravaganza.